Hey, it's Lisa with An Appetizing Life, and each week I'm here giving you new recipes and new tips and tricks on how to make your time in the kitchen just a little bit more fun. So today I am going to do a little side dish because the holidays are coming up, and it is roasted carrots and green beans with a little shallot and a little thyme. Okay, let's get started and prep these vegetables. First, cut the stems off the green beans. Now I'm using baby carrots. I like to take the skin off for this particular dish because it looks pretty, but you don't have to. It's up to you. Time to add some herbs. A little Italian parsley. Guys, this is good for your chopping skills. Trust me. A little thyme. There's something so satisfying about stripping these. Two thinly sliced shallots. Oh my God, these shallots are strong. I need a tissue. Okay, everything's prepped and ready to go. Let's put this all together. Add some olive oil, a little salt, a little pepper, all that thyme I chopped up, a little parsley, and the shallots. I'm gonna use my best tools to mix this all together. Uh-oh, I have a runaway green bean. Get back into my bowl. I've lined a sheet pan with parchment paper. And we're gonna spread those out. I'm making sure I get everything out of the bowl. Okay guys, I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's do it. Alexa, set timer for 15 minutes. It's my sous chef. Okay, the roasted green beans and carrots are fresh out of the oven. I don't know. It smells like Thanksgiving in here. Now you can stop there, but if you want to add a little brightness to it, you can add a little lemon juice on here. Then top it off with some toasted slivered almonds for a little crunch. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos. And I think someone needs to taste test this. I guess that would be me. I'll see you next time.